and we want to destroy the same house. It means to me that there were many people who never really intended, were not part of this house. They just came for what they will benefit. Now that they think they are not benefiting, they say, no, we'll pull it down. And by the grace of God, we will not like it. They're creating an impression that there's a crisis in our party. Who in APC is not here today or represented here today? So what is the crisis? I said, we are a political party. Yes, there can be disagreements, but the basis of our participation is that we must be able to sit down and talk to each other. That's why I said a party that does not meet cannot be a party. So when we start composing, we must have ward meetings, we must have local government meetings. So any member feels aggrieved or is concerned about anything, where is the best place to discuss it? Is it not at your ward meeting or the local government meeting? Any issue that you think is of concern to you, why not table it there and discuss it? Why must you not say you want to go and set up your own faction of the same party? That's why I said it will not be allowed in a law. It can never happen. It's illegal and we'll deal with it. You want to be because enter the house. If you don't want to be, go outside. Let us know you are in opposition. But you cannot be in the house and say you are in opposition. It's unacceptable. We give them time. Almost 6 months. We have drawn the line. You are either in or out. It's sad that, facts have been distorted. You are all witnesses to what happened in the House of Assembly elections. Are you not? Did we not meet? When this problem started, almost a year ago, were you not party to it? Did we not organize all of us and we have well proposed in free and fair primaries where we all voted? Were you all witnesses to that process being cancelled? That is where all of these problems started. And all sorts started happening. We kept quiet. Even with all of that, we still tried, went through the elections, and you all came out and we won landslide. We could not have had 24 by 24, but for all the hard work people did.
Somebody is speaking to our hearts. And it is evidence in topographical structure. We have about more than 90% of credible leaders here. Are you not all here? Don't you believe in me? That we should brainwash. If you confident on this paper, if you are happy with cover.
No. Pahara. 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 You can listen to this video. This video was posted by him, Governor Godwin Obaseki. Listen to the video from the beginning and to where he stopped. When he started, he said people are making it seem like they have a problem in APC. That there is no problem in APC. But before he ended 1 minute or 2 minute speech, he said where the whole problem began. He said now when they do primary, Obaseki is a flip-flopper, brainwasher. I am going to educate a lot of people today. I want you to share this video. I will educate a lot of people. Be patient. We are going to analyze this video. Share this video. I want you to invite these people so that they will not know that Godwin Obaseki wake and sleep. Sleeping Godwin Obaseki. I call him the sleeping governor. Anywhere he go sleep. Sleeping governor. Or one around with Viva. Or my setting when I'm a sleeping governor. Listen to the sleeping governor. Sleeping governor. Here not 4+4. Anyway, go 4+4. Afiran him moving. Nija having 4+4. God bless you. Thank you for supporting my brokers. Thank you. Now, yeah, let's play it. See then. 4 plus 4. Egba.
How can we build a house and we want to destroy the same house?
Listen.
It means to me that there were many people who never really intended, were not part of this house. They just came for what they were benefits. Now that they think they are not benefiting, they say, no, we'll pull it down. And by the grace of God, we will not lie. They're creating an impression that there's a crisis in our party. Who in APC is not here today or represented here today? So what is the crisis?
I cannot even wait. God bless you. Uwa. He said they created an impression that there's a crisis in APC. He said those people that want to burn the party, to burn the house, they were not even part of their. So you are not going to tell me that Tony Kabaka was not a APC member. So you are not going to tell me that Samson Osage, whatever they call him, is not a APC member. Huh? So is he going to tell us now that Lawrence Oka is not a APC member? Huh? Is he going to tell us now that Washington Osifo was not APC member? Sleeping governor is confused. The sleeping governor, Godwin Obaseki, is confused. Sleeping governor, Godwin Obaseki, aka wake and sleep governor, he's confused. He himself is confused. Listen.
They want to benefit. Now that they think they are not benefiting, they say no.
Okay, wait.
How can we build a house and we want to destroy the same house? It means to me that there were many people who never really intended, were not part of this house. They just.
He said many people, they were not part of this house. So Shomule was not part of APC house. That is why I posted that picture in there when he went to go and meet with Akugbe Venture. I want you, what I'm going to expose today, you people will not believe it. Facebook, I think we are going to close Facebook down in about a few minutes. Either you share or we shut it down. Listen.
For what they want to benefit. Now that they think they are not benefiting, they say no, we'll pull it down. And by the grace of God, we will not lie. They're creating an impression that there's a crisis in our party.
Nobody create impression. All the people Governor Obaseki is talking about, Governor Obaseki came to meet them in APC. Sometimes I get confused. This man talk in between his from right and from left. Governor Obaseki sometimes, I wonder, even the way he behaves sometimes, when you see they say 4 plus 4, he go just call like this. And when you see him, he have what they call innocent appearance. When you see him, you will start feeling for him. But he's very, very delicate. Very, very delicate. So, let's go. Bring it on.
APC is not here today or represented here today. So what is the crisis? I said, we are a political party. Yes, there can be disagreements, but the basis of our participation is that we must be able to sit down and talk to each other. That's why I said
that is the problem. A political party, even home, you have disagreement. The ability to be able to resolve the problem is what makes you who you are. Obviously, God bless you, the great Sandra. Obviously, Governor Godwin Obaseki have no wisdom of acceptances, wisdom of tolerance, wisdom of management, wisdom of encouragement, above all, wisdom of reaching out to people. A governor who cannot be able to bring his own brother together, how can he bring a state together? A governor that only thing that he knows to do is to terrorize his people. How can you do that? So, let's listen.
A party that does not meet cannot be a party. So, when we start composing, we must have ward meetings, we must have local government meetings. So, if any member...
How are you going to have ward meeting in a donut? When you cannot even drive a car to Iyamo, helicopter, chopper. Why can't you say, Oriomo, where are you going to follow Agbo? You will go and follow Data. There's no road. You did not tie road. No electricity. How are you going to have a ward meeting? You think that one will work for you? Egba. It will not work at all. Egba. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Egba. A word meeting. Egba. Egba.
Agree or is concerned about anything. Where is the best place to discuss it? Is it not at your ward meeting or the local government meeting? Any issue that you think is of concern to you, why not table it there and discuss it? Why must you now say you want to go and set up your own factor of the same party? That's why I said it will not be allowed in a law. It can never happen. It's illegal and we will deal with it.
At the beginning, he said there was no problem. Now, you can hear Governor Obaseki. He's confused. He's a confused governor. You can write from morning till night. If to say na social media then they win election, she will run for the president of Nigeria. Obaseki is going nowhere. Emekilori, read my lips. Governor Obaseki will not be re-elected as executive governor of Edo State. Itane. Eba! Governor Obaseki have lied to the dead. Governor Obaseki have lied to those that are suffering in Libya. Governor Obaseki have lied to those who are waiting for help in Bamako. Governor Obaseki have lied and removed hope for those that were hoping for rescue. All their head. Put the dead who is alive will never allow Governor Obaseki to win re-election. Not by randomical power, but by the power of those innocent Edo citizens who are crying in Bamako right now. Go to Bamako. Have you ever been to Bamako? Republic of Mali. Go and look at Bamako. Mosquito will welcome you. That is where River Niger passed through. Do you know the pain in Bamako? And you people are there shouting 4+4. Awa. Egba. We are going to, there's a breaking news today.
Not be allowed in a law. It can never happen. It's illegal and we will deal with it. You want to be without enter the house. If you don't want to be, go outside. Let us know you are in opposition. But you cannot be in the house and say you are in opposition. It's unacceptable. We gave them time, almost 6 months. We have drawn the line. You are either in or out.
Okay, let's pause. When I see this call now, this private call, I finally caught him. When sometimes, let us discuss that one. God bless you, Brother Fred. Sometimes you give people chance to misbehave. Do you people know he's been calling me private call? There's no insulting. I have no insulting. Next week, there's a show on his head. Let me give you people this name. Let me give you people his real name. A one chance well Ogun. E boya fefe nu ti Ogun ogbe lomo yo wa o. E boya fefe nu ti wa wa gbe meyo. Ma iwu enu we Ogun gbele. Ogun on wara ye ya o. Gwen ri eniyan ladian. Wa gwen ka mo wa omo no kin. Ogun ora Ogun e boya fefe nu ti Ogun hen agbo e. This is the same person. When we were going to Germany, he was calling me. He want to be friend. His name is called Claversin Uso. His name is called Claversin. He's in Berlin, in Germany. Claversin Ogun Ogbo Ogun. Abayiwe, ude yon enya. We want Claversin information, his picture and everything. Claversin Owati ni Uso. Let me bring out his phone number. Look at his real number. Let me tell you, Claversin Uso, you one chance. So he thought I did not store his name. He was calling direct every time this private call he will call. Claversin, if you live in Berlin, around Berlin, this is the same guy who said he was going to come to Berlin protest. He said he has money, he's doing his own, he has money, he's going to support me. He will call, he will be on the phone, he will not be, there's no one better word that he will say. Oh, you know, when I'm going Claversin also. All why here, but Vivia. Next week, he had to come next week. Then, who will have one chance? It wasn't a coincidence. See, after he called on private 8 times, I no answer. He can't call Claversin also again. Then the other day, after he called 7 times, I don't answer. He can't call again. Clavasi also. He don't know say I store in name. Or I still get time. Clavasi what here? Oh, go on, go again. He might be on him. Oh my way, Mary. Ina baba. Ina do okay. Or he go I on the phone when he was speaking to know the voice. I did not even match the voice before I know it was Cleverson. Everything me with her first talk. I had to say I know her for record now. This is a person that wanted to come and meet me in protest in Berlin. He want to support us. He said he don't like Obaseki. After, you can remember one guy that promised that he will help in Germany. Cleverson in Berlin. He said he live in Berlin. You know, so that one is settled. A boy FF not you win on that moment. That's number one. We are coming. Let's go straight to the point. Always open there. Away Obaseki not go away Kabaka Cleverson. The man in the Tony way. Okay. Let's leave that aside. So, brothers and sisters, today's date is Friday, November 8, 2019. This is Mega Comrade Investigator Officer Clement Iranomigo Edegbe, the open leader of People Freedom Movement worldwide, Commander-in-Chief of the defenseless and the voiceless, the tiger and the lion combined, the Akataka one of the universe, the Enagbe one of Orion land, the king of the innocent poor citizen, and the owner of the Poor Foundation Mobilization Incorporated. The talk can do of all time. Here is the breaking news. I gathered an information. I have notified Tony Kabaka Adu. If Tony is not here, they should call him to come. What we are hearing is that Governor Godwin Obaseki administration, I don't know what he want from Tony. We say Tony ya. Where Tony mama we know we Soviet we support you. I will force someone support over. People should start asking Governor Godwin Obaseki, why can't him leave Tony alone? Tony said he's not going to support him. What? Okay, let me quickly educate you people one thing. There are two things Governor Obaseki is doing right now. The reason why I call him, he said, hashtag let's go further together. Very good. We are going to go further together without Governor Godwin Obaseki. Without the sleeping governor, Godwin Obaseki, 4+4 of Obaseki, Alagiyeke. You know. 4+4. Who can spare me Alagiyeke? Somebody should spare me Alagiyeke. Alagiyeke. Awa. Spare it. Let me see. Digile bend over like man. Where did it go? Alagiyeke. All celebrate the 3 years of Alagiyeke. Our children are dying in the sea for these 3 years. The number of innocent children that have died in Libya is uncountable. No, not use my own. No, not use my own. Take spoiler. Now my own be that one. Now my own be that one. You are using my own. Here she did by. Yahweh here she did by. That one, no, you are wrong. Here the way I use school. Here about this spell Alagiyeke. Era amigo rati. So now I don't be go come smart bags here. Now I don't be go spell everybody the right here. Now my spell be that too. Now my spell be that too. That's why I spell amo. I don't be go cola. So I am correct. Everybody put your hands together for Mega Comrade. Ba. Alagiyeke. Alagiyeke. All celebrate. Obaseki. Wakobome, clap for me. Clap for me. Allah yeki. Before, if I write like that, I'll say, make a copy. They go spell and wrong. I say, no lead. He work for more than 1 year plus. He told me was. And the baby go out my doing. Oh, Obaseki. Let's go to the real day. Governor Godwin Obaseki system that is using. He is celebrating Allah Yeki in Benin. We want to beg you, Governor Obaseki. Leave Edo people alone. Leave Tony Kabaka alone. Oriere. Omahiwe sing one. Tony not can sing again. Only to sing. Obaseki not let him sing. Tony Kabaka man his business. But Governor Godwin Obaseki, he not let him rest. Make I tell you now, waiting they tell me. We heard that Governor Godwin Obaseki people, they are planning to go and murder someone around Tony Hotel or his house in order for them to use an opportunity to squeeze him. I said, what? Then I confirmed the information from Tony. I said, Tony, I want to know. Okay, we want to ask you, Governor Obaseki, what do you want Tony? What did Tony do for you in 2016 that is so vital? But after he did it for you, then you promised heaven and hell you did not do it. Now Tony, you don't want to do that thing again. Why do you want to frustrate him? Tony, let me tell you, I know how many times Tony have told me that he will never leave Benin. Or we ain't power Tony. Or where Tony, he ain't what ye ain't power or no matter ya when he buy Tony, our beyond our. Tony have told me for him to leave Benin, you just kill him there. So what did Tony did for you in 2016 that is so vital, so important to your re-election, that led your people now you want to commit and come on. What did Tony do to Governor Obaseki? We want to know. If somebody commit a crime, and you said he commit a crime, you follow the due process, you arrest him. Right? Not be so? Okay. Tony came out and sing. When I was telling Tony that Governor Obaseki is not going to work, Tony was fighting me. But thank God Almighty, Tony Kabaka now sees Eranomigo is right. I use some of stupid people that is writing there. Someone now believe that I'm right. So you want me to throw into wolf so that wolf will eat him. I will shield him. I will protect him because he realized his mistake. If to say Obaseki come up before Tony realize his mistake, I will tell him in Allah. As we are talking now, Tony is not getting 1 penny from Obaseki. But to have a year back, it's a redeemer. Tony is now for the poor. Now for the poor. Why are you not dragging Tony Kabaka away from the poor, Governor Obaseki? They told you away. Why quick? Why Bawane? I will gay. I will not go Katago below. Abi? Why don't want working? That is the question. Who is going to be the victim? Who are they going? Who is that Benin man that they are going to use to kill? Allah Yeki. Governor Allah Yeki. The Tony out the Tony who knowing what the Tony Kabaka. Me wanna share this video. Wanna invite Tony. Invite all of them. Invite all of them. Make una invite all of them. Come here. Wanna invite all of them. Governor Obaseki should tell us Now, what tell us the job Tony Kabaka did for you that result to this coup, plan, and attempt to plot a dead body around his compound? Then you people will not call it, not Tony caught people. Now they fight, now they kill each other, and Allah not be them. We don't hear them. We don't hear them. All the evil plan, we don't hear them. Benin people, let me tell you today, anything happen to any Edo people, Governor Obaseki should be held responsible. He is the executive governor of Edo State. He owes us obligation to protect every Edo citizen and their property. Obaseki took an oath to protect, to save life and protect property. So if anything happen in Benin, any dead body, Governor Obaseki is that we can sleep along here governor. Tell us Allah where Benin don't get. Where did Benin don't get for 3 years? Mona tell me. Now train station, railway. Wait till I don't get one of the Lagodao. Now Allah yeke. Tell us one thing. Tell us what progress Governor Obaseki have made. Tell us nothing. And I want to quickly go to the side of the law. Okay. Comrade Tony Kabaka is with the innocent poor citizen now. Brainwasher, sleeping Governor Godwin Obaseki, leave Tony Kabaka alone. We are aware of your evil plan against Tony Kabaka. Leave Tony Kabaka alone. Tony have not sing. For you evil to sing when I sing one. But Tony, why will you allow anybody to even stop you from singing? Only man can't be up. You are not really so. You have every right to sing. Obiere lawa. If you to a Tony Mavi we know where anyhow. A Tony we say go right now. If you to, why wear an amigo ma? An amigo ma? Very ladia. In our Basekina, winner, a Tony na ladia on us when I'm big. No Baseki. Don't madame hieti me ragogonia. Oh. E matanoro ita. Ukma Tony yi bege o siera mdina woke e Tony na ole lokona wena. He okpa pove bohin. E Tony yi bege uteni utero ona figbe wirigbe. Meire me haibwe e nyene asa. Awa. Iwa togba I muga era ne degbe we ade baba. I protect I rie you webwe ave eni no wa oni ayo webwe obiere. Obaseki wa. Owe eni awe Tony. And if you gbe ni we boom some ogbe boys. Una dey betrayed una self oh. Make I ask una one question. I want to ask you people one question. Tell me what have Obaseki do for you people? And don't know people say they're not the fight again. Ogbe boys now they mobilize today. Ogbe boys now Obaseki mobilize today, and they share money for now. May I tell you now? Money one Obaseki they give chief of staff. Now from chief of staff, no chief of staff they collect by himself. Chief of staff will can't give them honorable Sagbovo and the rest. That's so that they cut in half before you go come reach on a hand. Then you go be times 100. Cut. The reason why they are doing mobilization, that is the only way you get money from Obaseki. Problem. Because he mind, he will add only time now when problem day, now Governor Obaseki they release money. YouTube more than not just relax. More everybody should share this video. Share it. You people just relax. Do your own part. Make I do my own part. What can't it be this? Do your own part. Let me do my own part. What? When me working me. My own is to expose, deliver. Give me 1 second. So now, people should ask Governor Godwin Obaseki, what have he done for Ogbe people? Today, he mobilized to go and wait for, I don't want to make sure he need for airport today. Anybody when they come, Obaseki will go rent 1,000 people. He could go rent 1,000 people. Every time, he go mobilize. Either they go carry musicians from Lagos, they go, now so party. From one party to another. Now it be allowed out. Benin people that have lost their life in Libya, Benin State is the highest. Oda only here. Simple. Is that forward? Okay. Let me go straight to the point. If today is the first day you are watching Mega Comrade, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or like our page if you are watching from Facebook. If today is the first day, subscribe to our channel. Please share this video with your friends. Share our page. If you love what PFM is doing, please share our page. Follow the link below. Share our page in your Facebook. All PFM follower and fan should be able to share. So let me quickly educate you people. Governor Godwin Obaseki have brought political terrorists into Edo State. Agberu is better than terrorists. Governor Obaseki become #1 architect of brainwasher. Governor Godwin Obaseki is brainwashing Edo people. Let me give you the definition of political brainwashing. Political terrorists. I want to give you the definition. Governor Obaseki, less than 3 years, is sleeping everywhere he go, he sleep. He's a sleeping governor. He's weak. He don't know how to govern. Wawa tienera viue ave political legbuke. Political legbuke. Wasea okpa. Governor Godwin Obaseki is everywhere he go. He's a sleeping governor. I wish Governor Obaseki can come to America so that Donald Trump will give him a good name. A good name that will fit him. Sleeping. He's weak. Everywhere he go, he sleep. Obaseki has not done anything for Edo people. What can a sleeping governor Godwin Obaseki do for Edo people? And what he's doing now is extorting what we call a political extortion. That is what Governor Obaseki is doing now in Edo State. Let me define it for you. A lot of people don't know the meaning of extortion. Governor Obaseki is doing political extortion. How? What is extortion? Extortion is the wrongful use of actual or threatening. When you want somebody to do something for you, you threaten that person or you force him, violent, force, or through intimidation to gain money or property or anything that will favor you from an individual or entity. Extortion generally involves a threat being made to the victim or person or property. That is exactly what Governor Obaseki is doing in Edo State. He has threatened to destroy houses, destroy Tony Kabaka home, and threatened to do a lot of damages to people. That is called political extortion. Is that how Governor Obaseki going to win re-election? Okay. Do you want me to go further? Okay, I'll go further. Either he want to use violence to intimidate people to gain money, property from an individual or entity. Extortion generally involves a threat being made to the victim, person, or property, or to their family or friends. While the threat of violent or property damage is commonplace in extortion. You know what I say? I will destroy your house. I will destroy your hotel if you do not do this. That is called extortion. Where the threat of violence or property damage is commonplace in extortion, it can also involve reputational harm or unfavorable government action. Act of extortion can range from protecting or protection of money paid by a small business to a local mobster. A local mobster. You know the meaning of mobster? Mob. The kind one Obaseki is packing with Okada. You can call them mob or terrorists. Terrorists. Okay. Extortion schemes targeted at hundreds of companies. This political extortion scheme that Governor Obaseki is practicing in Edo State is unacceptable. In America, here you go to jail for it. That is one. If we call Governor Obaseki talk back group terrorists, it's a legal name, you can call them because that is what they are. Let me give you the definition. Number two, what Governor Obaseki is doing is called a political terrorism. What Governor Obaseki is doing in Edo State is called a political terrorism. How? Give you the meaning. United States of America terrorism is defined in a Title 22 Chapter 38 U.S. Code S2C56F as premeditated, politically motivated violence perpetrated by the against or by no combatant target, by a sublesion group or agent or an individual who can be used to terrorize their victim. The use of violence or of the threat of violence in the pursuit of political or religion ideology or social objective, an act of committed by non-state actors or by undercover personnel serving on the behalf of their prospective government can be called terrorists. Terrorism act reaching more than the immediate target victim and also directed at target constituting of a larger spectrum of society. Both let me tell you, both political terrorists and terrorists depends on how every government defines it. What Governor Obaseki is doing now is using people to intimidate you, using people to disrupt you, using people to put fear in you. It's called political terrorism. Not be me right now. See, now America right now. All these are quote. I can go further and further. There are many reasons for the failure to achieve universal consensus regarding the definition of terrorism. In a briefing paper for the Australian Parliament, stated the international community has never succeeded in developing an accepted comprehensive definition of terrorism. However, during 1970s and 1980s, the United Nations attempted to define the term funded or mainly due to differences of option between various members about the use of violence in a content. Underline that word. There are different opinions between various members, or however, terrorism can be defined. A group or any organization trying to enforce their religion ideology, political ideology, or organization ideology to their victim. They enforce their ideology to their victim. Now, example, Tony Kabaka said, Oshomole said, Obaseki, we don't want you. But Obaseki said, you must. That is called political ideology. Governor Godwin Obaseki want to enforce his radical policy on Edo people. You heard me? Governor Obaseki, see him here. You see him? You see as it's more well better yet, I'm aware. He may you are better. Anywhere Governor Obaseki go, he sleep. Governor Obaseki, what do you want Tony to do for you? The last thing Tony Kabaka will do, let me tell you. The last thing, the day Tony Kabaka will support you, only on here forever and ever. Only on Big Bay, forever and ever. So, all this terrorist threat, terrorism act that your administration is using in order to enforce or to force your ideology on us, it's not going to work. 4 + 4 egba. Period. Aguyo. Oh, what you are doing? We are watching. We are watching you. This act of terrorism. Every day you mobilize mob. Your administration mobilize terrorists, political terrorists. Political terrorists, political Boko Haram. Who are Boko Haram? These are individual, a group of organizations that impose fear, that will come to where you are, kill you, slaughter you, do whatever they want. That is exactly what your group are doing. But one thing that exempted now, we have not, there's no dead body on it. They are terrorizing everywhere now. So, my people, Governor Obaseki, I have never seen a better brainwasher. God bless you, Idris, than Governor Godwin Obaseki. He's brainwashing Edo people. Or what brainwashing? He will repeat it 4 + 4, or by 4 + 4, or is a ta or sink you want. Governor Obaseki is a problem to Edo State. We are here to tell you, leave those that don't want to support you alone. Them Washington Osifo and the rest, Osarobo and the rest, leave them alone. Focus on yourself. You have 1 year and a half to stay. If you want, you and a boys way, allegedly, we have heard that immediately we finish it for 10 hours, you are going straight to EFCC. That's what we heard. Straight to EFCC. They say if you don't go EFCC 2021, they will be 2025. So know how much you want chop for Benin. And now when they follow and they chop the money, then chief of staff and the rest, make una the calculator. Come here at the America here with the watch. So here is the breaking news. My people, I'm not going to stay long in this broadcast. The breaking news is that Gunwe, popular, ma Gunwe, Eguda, you better balloon me one. You better balloon. Agmu unala don't finish. Go see Benin people as they take they die for road for Libya. Go see them for desert the way they take they die. You tell here they say, that's allowed. Boko Haram not popular. Now only Obaseki popular. Boko Haram they're not popular. Okada they're not popular. ISIS not popular. See your foolishness. You see your foolishness. Well, you see your foolishness. Yeah? Wait. We no one like we Obaseki popular for me. Boko Haram is popular. Oloku not popular. HIV not popular. Gonorrhea gonokwekwe is not popular. Atori is not popular. Right? Apostle Suleiman not popular. Buhari not popular. Idiot. Where the boy? See ya. Augustina. What do na? Or delete. Yeah, we. Delete. Why Larry? Boko Haram. HIV not popular. Answer me. My people. HIV not popular. Because HIV popular. Everybody go to carry HIV. So if Obaseki popular, now I go make her popular. There's two popularity. There is Hall of Fame popularity. There is Hall of Shame popularity. Depends on the popularity. Waiting Obaseki popular put not be problem upon problem. Who on attack by your mama they will do what? Where honey? Oga Abiora na we honey we mi o ma de no ya gbe liviere o ma Abiora no view ariku. If to say na Obaseki children in the carry they go war front every day in go do am make una ask am that question. In go do am you got vivier you are. Una when they say organize una go carry una children go. That is the question. Obaseki must go, come 2020. One thing I want to let my people know today, if I know Oshomole, make una tell her. Oshomole, now we have to go and bring our people from Libya, from Bamako, for us. Obaseki have failed. Mene amigo. Meme ya ariota pepe na vegbo. Iwa. Meme. If you have whatever you want to do, he don't want to do it. That is his business. Obaseki should come and tell us one policy, one thing that he have done. How many people, whether he don't carry one person come on for Bamako, even from Cotonou, he go tell us. And people that are in Libya, that are frustrated in Libya, that manage to go home. If you go home, you go to support Obaseki. All those innocent people when die, their spirit not go forgive you. Because you when they alive, supposed to fight for the dead. Instead of you to join Mega Comrade, as Tony Kabaka, Oshomole dey our side now. When it go easy for us, una want make it hard. Now so things go dey hard though. And they tell you now, Obaseki have nothing to do for you people. Obaseki not like Benin people. He hate Benin people. Obaseki man like Iviedo. Our war or man like Iviedo. Obaseki, let me tell you, if you think Obaseki love Benin, how come Obaseki don't know how to speak Benin? His father is a Benin. His mother is from around that another side. How come? How come Obaseki, even for his papa burial, we could not go there? Iranomigo go do burial pass waiting governor do. He love his father like that. Obaseki no as all these youth one at the gather they go meet her. Obaseki no want noise. They say now from small child. Now Obaseki when it don't grow, as it don't grow, they waka. Now from there talk, he don't want noise, children noise, he don't want her. A basi in waka ye. No see wo, I no pan ro one ro I go can. Me I know the cause again. Now just did everybody they say 4+4. Now many people don't they get 4+4 phobia. 4+4 phobia. I it's really 4+4 on Harry Moma. 4+4 phobia. Obaseki phobia. 4+4 phobia. Anywhere you go, Now go here and wait. Only a year to make a player. 4 plus 4 phobia. Wait. Wanna see it? See ya. See there. 4 plus 4 phobia. Hey, 4 plus 4.
When we build a house and we want to destroy this house.
4 plus 4 phobia. 4 plus 4 phobia. 4 plus 4
we build a house.
See that? My people. So, my dear people, whether una like una not like, make una tell Obaseki, make it leave Edo people alone. We don't tire for them. We don't tire. We don't want her. We love Oshomule better than Obaseki. Oshomule have development blueprint. Obaseki not get one. 100 billion plus. Obaseki don't carry on. He don't go buy vessel. Adesuwa. How many times I call you? Adesuwa. I say, how many times I call you? Bragada yourself before I bragada you. Make I tell you, how many times Obaseki don't carry people, can't carry you, pay you money for Ashawo work? How many times? Money when they get, when other politicians, they now they pay una. Ask your sister for Uniben. How much they can't pay them now for Benin? For Ashawo? For Benin? How much they can't pay them now? Executive lodge, government official. How much they can't pay them? 1,000 naira. Before an amount, not be 10,000. Even your work, Obaseki make it bad for you. You hear me at this one? Not only Akuna. Money when they get, when you have a winner bar. Where? I just what yeah wo work when run on a bank went in the knock by delete the delete we are making not delete I just want go bad ya be working one more like no I just want go bad ya wa Obaseki na bagbe where you for meet Obaseki then when Obaseki moon when no complete na gbe mo na ah Veli via do wulo se vili bia na o maso we o ma ha we wa ba mi no isu no so my people let me quickly do the breaking news and go. I'm about to leave now. You know Obaseki say you never see you. The breaking news is that people when you go destroy Oshomole house, when you go Oshomole house, make una your pack, make una they run. People when mobilize to attack Oshomole, no say mega comrade, make una your pack go Cotonou or Republic Democratic of Congo. Make una your go Congo now. Make una go Congo. People now in few days, una go hear am. Yeah, breaking news is that the governor shot it for now only 2 people. Now I they pity them. Not beside they pity them. I like them. They don't go, no God, no go let. Only 2 people. Among all the 6 people, they have called on the governor to bring them back to Abuja to force a quota. He shot it for them and he signed for them. As if you or in love like we. My man and Mamu Botana. As if I love. So they should prepare to go back to Abuja. Allegedly, we have gathered an information that they have the first quarter have notified the governor or his administration to return them to Abuja. They have committed crime. They need to go prove they are innocent in the court of law. So Oshomule. Osho Baba, Osho, area so Abuja. Osho Baba, Osho. Who they sing that music? I remember that song. Osho Baba. Now they come they insult Oshomule for nothing. For nothing. So my Edo people, Walaho, Omana Wimitan, Wari Oi Yimino. Ware gbegune ona ifi wori wa ho ma iwe mi dan o ma na iwe mi dan wa do have you wo ma mama na ya gbebono to gboma e we no pass ki o no we here doing na mama koyo Benin people we no agree ma gwalo mama koyo Osho Baba. Wait there, call the I will show Baba. Wait there, call not be around me when say la lie. Or to have Bohogo, in on your way to it. Ibe, ya Kabaka who you want me, and ask you who you want me. About the kitty, boy, you was it, and a Davila was it. You Davila was it, yeah, and now you tell me as the mega comrade. In that temu. And we are not so out of here. You're not so out of here, man. Someone I guess if it be me. And that temu. Anything when they plan against Tony Kabaka, say they want plant something for a household, they want it not go work. Now with this social media, now we could still come out, talk the truth. If Tony Kabaka do, if I hear say Tony Kabaka boys do one thing now, bam, let me go first come and say, "Hey, Tony, that is me for you. That is me for you." And I believe Tony have changed. He man is busy. He not they sing again. He not change. My people, Tony not change. He don't release music again. No, he not sing. He not talk. He man is busy. But campaign go talk. Oh. When campaign come, me I not care anybody but Obaseki. I don't care whoever want come. Provided me that person not the oil industry. That is it for me. So as we are planning to celebrate now my day, I want to come out now self. I want to come out all. I'm gonna share this video. God bless you, Destiny. We all are together in this. Governor Godwin Obaseki, all those plans that you are planning is failed. All this money when you share, that money for rich you take go bring 100 or 200 people from Libya. But you don't bring you they waste time. When you go cut, give the chief of staff go cut them into 10. You go give half of them to your SSA, special advisor. You go give them the SSA, they go come cut them into 4. They will come give them able stone and the rest. Them able stone, they will cut their own. They will come give their zona area. They'll come to share and before it go reach on. I want to die for small money. My people, I have to go. I have a lot of things I got to do. Maybe I will go online later. So we want you to know Tony Kabaka. We are watching. You are with the poor, and the poor is with you, with the innocent poor citizen. And we are happy that people that have redeemed themselves, if you know you are an Obaseki team, come to our team, the innocent poor citizen team, and your sin will be forgiven. All your sin will be forgiven. So that is it. There's this individual called Luke Idion. How you tell they know fair person? He said, don't go. They tell me don't go. Are you paying me? How do you know Obaseki is going to win? Look. Let me make. How do you know? You don't drink Akpatesi today. You don't drink Akai. Obaseki, he first win before. Wait. People wait there YouTube here. We get 1,200 people watching. Facebook, YouTube. Okay, fine. We are about to leave now. How many of you believe say Obaseki first win 2016 election? Did Obaseki win 2016 election? If you believe say he win, right? Yes, win. If you believe say he don't win, right? No, he don't win. Let's vote on it. Why vote you? Siam? I don't buy material. But they tell you Siam, all this money, I dey borrow Siam. I don't go buy material. Siam. This one are 6. megaphone. On the mechanic they are Egba. All of them they go Nigeria. Egba 4+4. Egba. We can sleep, governor. We can sleep. You see, everybody say no, he don't win. So if Obaseki don't know how to win, what make you think he will win? Obaseki is going nowhere. Egba 4+4. Obaseki, we can sleep. Obaseki, we can sleep. Sleeping governor. Obaseki, sleeping governor. Obaseki, sleeping governor. Obaseki. Obaseki must go. 1, 2, 3, go. Obaseki must go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obaseki must go. On my yard now. Ime one with me. Mona they help me, Mona they support me, and we need support. See, not that. See, Ime was here. It was here. Megaphone. I have about 20 megaphone now. 20 total. 20. My is a don't anybody won't want support. Would you bring a command? On here I go. What here? Talk back. Urudiane ate talk back. Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obaseki must go. We can sleep must go. We don't want sleeping governor. We don't tire. Edo State they sleep. As the governor they sleep. Edo State they sleep. Obaseki they sleep. Yes. Obaseki they sleep. Yes. Anywhere he go, he go sleep. If I write, wait. I've been one come out. Make I spend 10 more minutes. I know they help me. That made you this suffer here. When I call anywhere Obaseki go, will I go ride his sleep. Anywhere Obaseki go, want to go. Anywhere Obaseki go, he sleep. Anywhere Obaseki go, he go sleep. He go United Nations, Obaseki go sleep. He go for National Assembly, Obaseki go sleep. Anywhere Geo go, he sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obaseki sleeping governor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obaseki sleeping governor. We don't want sleeping governor. Anywhere Obaseki go, he sleep. Anywhere Obaseki go, he go to sleep. We rain out the yek bebu. We gagi re. O do you know momuno warwa. You see he cheek when he go to sleep. He go come be like moto. What? In brother they Germany. What? Oh, Buhari now. Buhari say, I was making speech. You were sleeping. Anywhere Obaseki is a weak governor. Sleeping governor. We don't need that. He's weak. He so sleeping they sleep. If not boy away my mind. You see, this one I say now, only fool will support. Well, I'm here more. Me, if they're not support me, you take not be billion the thing they do election. You say na 1,000 naira. Obaseki must go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obaseki must go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obaseki must go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obaseki must go. Egba. Even one with me. It get material when I will go buy now. A studio when I want here do when I want. It may one with me. Obaseki. Every back. I want. My people, I love you now. There are information I was going to give, but I say make a hold on. I love you now. Allah Yeke people. Now then Sabi. Benin not go front. Now so backward it they go. We get another one later. I will come enter now 1 hour video. I'll come enter. I'll come they block. Delete anybody when you come. Please, whoever come and watch this video later on YouTube, please subscribe. I need it. I need to get to 30,000 now. 30,000 subscribers in YouTube so that I can be able to create member. Please, please, we want to have People's Freedom Movement YouTube members. I am begging you, whoever lay hands on this video, please subscribe. If you have not subscribed to our Facebook, please go ahead and do that. Let Destiny Jaguar Lucky many a full name and forgive my help my 10 minutes it's here bonnet. Okay, Prince Lucky. No, yeah. Where is it? Write his full name. Write the full name. Write the full name. Guy above you. Write the full name. Guy above you. But complete name info. Guy above you. And I above you. Really, my boy have vie boy now. Eh, Jimmy. One chance in loud. One like one. He may have information. Send the gear. He was send the clever. Send information. He was send the gear. Law enforcement. He money when I go why information I have you again. I know me away. He clever. See usu. Usu. No Germany. Or when I go to you what. Or when I go, why me I was sending no by me, I was no by, it was sent there, it was sent there, it one on me away. Yeah, of me, so, what is his name? Okay, Lucky and Sandra Obaze. Sandra Obaze, if you block me, I go use another account. Okay, go use another account. Or me you just say at the take threat, or go use another account. I will be blocking you. Use another account. Any comment when you make, I go bragada you. Wa me magbon. If magbon so okay. Wa bo fie kunle we. Oh wa. Ihu mu atamu. Igbe agara mama. We o. Asha wa gbete. Ugbagbo ye le kute. Uwe wu. We ya ran we no ba se ki uge o. Nonsense. Knock pa go. Swene knock pa mama. Swene knock pa mama. We swene knock pa mama. Where is the other one? Prince Lucky. Okay. Prince Lucky. Yeah, bragada when I get donna. Wapwa. Oh, hanek me we are not doing anyhow. O can't wait, you know. You want me with table where you may eat a bonobasakide. Awa. Well, we ate him, Memeti. Memmy bay table. Baby, why I can't of it? You want monitor, it doesn't know very well. Awabwa. Idiot. Koya, awe koya. Iya no ya nwa mewegwa egbe kia. Ya nwa mere ya gware onware ya ye fake account we yare. Ya ye fake account yare. Awe is a go ya we. Ira mi go ma iri na wa bia. Igo ni 1000 naira ne aye. Ye igo ni ge su no instantly na wari go ni na ye we gbe. Me ya wo. Asanso we tu no. Ya asanse o tu lo. Ikonde e phone in phone of an open body. He ain't what about doing at the open buyer, who go back. Oh, go italian in Mokpak, Campbell, and a Mokpak. Garia, Mokpak. Eddie Murphy, why at over no ye table when the Murphy or bed. Eddie Murphy, what are we? Mayana, Iana, or Eddie Murphy or Lugan. Eddie Murphy, Vempo Negua. Iana. What? I didn't invite one while they go. Why is where I have a good hour? A good why is you work why I want to tell you? Abi it be clear. He will run me. He ran me go not away. He got a great eye of back and came. Any corner where a not basic a more passakina. He may one more die. I said it distracted. He may one more die. So it was anyone. Mona support me. Oh. Everybody should support PFM. So now let's look for this the FM. Let's look for the FM. Let's DFR. Let's DFR. Gagwale. So that I who and I will be a demon. Yeah, and I will more Ghana. Yeah, I had a papa. Oh, yeah. Gagwalo area anywhere that we go anywhere Iran amigo go We will defend and protect those that cannot defend themselves. Imewa mudia. Isado shomule mewaye. Imewa mudia. Vile do ayama. Yes. Wana we here. Awe Tony Kabaka will protect your ignorance. Yes. So what? So what? Yes. So what? Wana imamia te imamia olene imamia. So what I say, my people, anywhere that we go, anywhere Aromigo go, I go. Yes, a Nabaseki, DFM Curtis. Okay, let's look for that DFM Curtis. DFM Curtis in the Gagwalo, I will hear banner in a young woman kiki. Last water drinker. Ya no ya ifika katiri ya nwa mekeki ya we na bigo ma ize yimbai na bigo ma ize yimbai ize ya eni na son back bene abogun pa avem na yeni o ize yeni lo ba ti mekpon o so aba e mekpon we eyin wo me agbon ya we gbegbe I will water people. I get a form a club. Gather drink water. There we go. Yeah, go over here. Yeah, my get better over. Oh, I fake here. As I Imamia, Okona, Eimino, Imamia, Oya Waruya, Imamia. I don't see her destiny, Imamia. I don't see her. So, I wish you really know me. Oh, okay, better, DFM, Divine Matter, Agua Boa. Why will I know you? Imanubele, you are a terrorist. One screenshot you were. You are a terrorist. People when you key now their hair, now they pursue you console. If one chance we allow now, idiot. Okpa na ikwere. Esuki, abe ona ewe. Esu. Agua boa. We lo she kara mwe koture egbe ohoy. We ma we wonu agbe o, idiot. My people, I love you. Good night. I salute you now. Ugwalo, big man. Ugwalo. Ade, chotwere. They don't give it here. Umi wagmo. Chotwere. Wa kula. Oba keke. Wa mi no you wa omi. Okpe ni kege wesi. Ba. Ba. I want to thank the People Freedom Movement member, the supporters, everyone who have been supporting me. Okay, it's a cut. As a yoy, cut it. No mind egbe no. No mind egbe no. As a yoy, ye no mawo. Ne man or no who done as a yoy. Voice will or say Libya. They told egg will be agmina. Egg was egmina. Egg was egmina. As a yoy, I will go banner. I love you guys. I gotta go, eh? So, those state must be great, and we really love our state. One thing that we have that is bad in Edo State right now is Governor Godwin Obaseki. Governor Godwin Obaseki have to go. He's a sleeping governor. He's weak. He sleep around. Everywhere he go, he sleep. That's all he does. He sleep. He don't know how to wake up. Anywhere he go sleep. We don't want him. He has to go. Edo's infrastructure are sleeping. Edo development is sleeping. Edo... Everything in Edo is sleeping because the governor, the executive governor, is a sleeping governor. Over here. Mama Gwalo, Magwalo Edo. So that is it. I love you guys. Destiny. So we're gonna talk tomorrow. You're gonna talk. My family, they really want to talk to you tomorrow. Maya Agba, we will talk. So Destiny, we will call you. Be expecting our call. We are going to call you tomorrow, Destiny. Okay. I want to thank People Freedom Movement and thank everybody. Governor Obaseki Wati, sleeping governor. Anywhere he go sleep. Anywhere he go sleep. Wawala platform here, wagman sleeping governor. I love you. Good night. You all have a good weekend. And those, my brother, we know we are celebrating our veteran. So I think Veterans Day Monday, right? So we want to thank all the men and women in uniform who fought for this country. We salute you, and God Almighty will continue to protect you in Jesus' mighty name. And I wish everyone what I wish myself. You all enjoy your weekend. Sleeping Governor Gio, that's right. So Mega Comrade love you, okay? I gotta go. I love you. Share this video, like our page. Mega Comrade is just a simple man. I just fight for those who cannot fight for themselves. I might do it in a different way, but if you know how to do it better, you do it. God bless you. I love you. Bye. Good night. Obaseki, c'est tourné à où? What when you get